Where's the shop? I forgot where the shop at. Look. I forgot where the shop is. Here's the shop. Yeah, I'm not going in there. Put some meat up. Oh, I love this game so much. Oh, oh. Okay. Yeah, if I just sweat. Boop. Oh. I just hate it.
Oh,
I just hate it. I just hate it.
Hello, guys. What is happening?
Fanboys!
Man, what is
I
happening?
like fanboys!
Oh my god.
You just said comedian.
Man,
Telekinesis,
what
guys. The
man.
bean used
Man,
telekinesis
I'm here
to
for the cheeks,
move us.
Bean. I'm
Man.
here for the cheeks.
He wants my butt! He wants my butt! He wants my butt! Look at you! Look at you! Well.
Video is gonna be funny now, so get
Yeah.
up.
You're recording? You're
Yes,
recording?
I'm
Orange.
recording.
Who's recording?
Get the bean for
Her
free.
dad and mom want to go
chat.
validation.
Can I get a naked femboy too?
Yeah, me too. I want one too.
I'm gonna.
It's not about the money then.
What is this?
Oh my bad. Oh frick.
All these lobbies I've been in, and this is the worst one.
He wants to give me. No way.
Oh my god.
Yo, this
No,
what
you're
actually
not.
hurts when I play VR.
You better get my cheeks.
No, you're not like.
How did he just die?
Oh,
I
oh
think
my god. Oh.
Guys, I don't know where he is.